students, good morning. So, the last chapter which we have in maths is data handling, unit 13, right? So, unit 13, we are going to read about data handling. What is data handling, first of all? For data handling means mm, you can say keeping a record of collections of things, you can say. For example, if you have toys in your home, uh, how many toys do you have, right? Like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 toys, 9 toys. So that means you are counting and making a collection of toys, right? So this is called data handling. You're counting it and keeping a record that how I have this much of toys, uh, and in between that, uh, different types of toys, how many dolls are there, then how many cars are there, how many teddy bears are there. So if you have 3 teddy bears, 5 car, and 4 dolls, right? So this way, making a collection, keeping a record of your things, it is called data collection. Here you see in your first chapter, collecting information on your birthday. A collection of information to answer such question is called data handling. Means you collecting an information about anything which you have. This is called data handling. Okay, here there is one example you can say in your you can see in your book. Collecting information on birthday. Whose birthday it was? It was Priya's birthday. And what was the when it was? It was on 15th of August. And where it was celebrated? At her place, at her home, isn't it? So next is, who were the guests? Guests were friends and relatives. And what were the gifts received? She received games, toys, dresses, bouquet, and candies. And how many gifts she received? Total 36 gifts she received, right? So these are the information about what Priya's birthday, right? So these information what we have collected, this is called data handling. Understood? So these are the things which we can say this is called data handling. In collecting information about things is called data handling. Okay. Now you can see in a class, notice that some children have wear shoes with laces and some wear shoes without laces. Here you can see with laces some of the children have wear shoes, and there are some children who did not wear shoes with laces. These are with lace, these are without laces, right? So now what we have to do, number of children who wear shoes with laces, we have to now count the number of children who wear shoes with laces. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 5. One second, let me check. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So here in picture only we have 5, but in your book it is 7. Okay, so total how many students who wear shoes with laces? 7. Now again, number of children who wear shoes without laces. Now we'll see the number of children who wear shoes without lace. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So here we will write 8. Do more children wear shoes with laces or without laces? So children who wore shoes with laces are more, or without laces are more? Of course, without laces children wore more shoes, isn't it? Because here it is 8 in collection and they are 7 in collection, right? Next we can see how many more children wear shoes without laces. Here you see with laces how many? 7. Without laces 8. So 8 minus 7 will be 1. One more student wear shoes without laces. Have you understood? This way we have collected the data. This is all about data handling. This is all about. Okay. Next is, You see parking, there are number of cars, data about number of cars, the color is given below. So here you can see the different color uh, cars are here, isn't it? Yellow, red, this is silver we can say, and then this is blue and this is yellow again, right? Two yellow cars are there, isn't it? So yeah, two yellow colors are there. Now you see here which color of car is maximum. Which color of car is maximum? Here we have to find out which color of car is maximum. Here you can see this is also yellow, this is also yellow. So yellow, here it is 23 and here it is 13. So 13 plus 23 will be how much? It will be 36. So 36, yellow car is maximum, isn't it? So here which color of car is minimum? Here you see these are together 36, red is 18, silver is 32 and blue is 10. So that means blue color car is minimum. Total number of cars in the parking 1 2 3 4 5. 5 cars are there in the parking. Find the total number of red and green cars. So here we can see there is no green car. This is blue, this is red, this is silver and these two are yellow, right? So what we can do, we can consider this as 32 and red is 18. 18 plus 32 will be 50. What is the difference between maximum and minimum cars? So maximum car will be of course 13. Yes, there is two yellow car, so we will add this 2 will be 36. 36 minus this one 32. 36 minus 32 equal to 4. So 4 car, there is a difference between cars. Minimum and maximum car is 4. I hope all of you have understood how to collect the data and how to manage the data handling, isn't it? So this is it. This is all about data handling. Now you can see the chapter is finished. You have to do the summative assessment. These are the assessment which we have done before in our previous chapters. We are going to revise it here, isn't it? So I am going to explain it to you, and these things all you have to do it by your own. Understood? So your first question is find the product 6 into 4. So you'll have to, I hope all of you have done the tabulation. 6 into 4, how much? 6 4 ja, how much? You can write it here. Find the question 5 divided by 5. What will be the question if you'll divide 5 with by 5? Okay, write the fraction representing in 1 quarter. 1 quarter will be how much? 1 quarter. 1 half will be this much. 1 quarter will be 1 by 4, isn't it? So this will be the fraction of 1 quarter. Okay. Write 2 division facts of each multiplication. This one we have done it before, right? So this you can do it here as we have done it. This is the 4 into 6 equal to 24. We have to do it. I think all of you have remember how to do this. Now draw a ring round objects that makes up the fraction and write the missing number. Draw a ring round the objects that makes up the fraction and write the missing number. So you have to draw a ring round which makes a fraction. Okay, fraction. You have to ring like this, fraction. And you have to write the missing number also. Okay, and here how many edges are there in square cube? How many edges are there? How many plane surface are there in cube? And name a 3D shape. Any 3D shape, cube or cuboid is the 3D shape. So you can write it here. These all are from the previous chapter which we have done before. So this will be as your revision works. You can do it from your book by revising. How many eights makes a 4 tens? 4 tens means 40, right? So how many 8 makes 4 tens? 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 8 3 ja 24, 8 4 ja 32, 8 5 ja 40, right? So 5. This way you have to find out. Share 60 rupees 60 among 5%. You have to share rupees 60 among 5%. That means 5 divided by 60. How much it will be? You'll have to find out the answer. Okay. The unit used to measure kerosene oil. Kerosene oil is liquid. When I said that whenever we will measure a liquid item, then what we are going to use? We're going to use liter, right? And it 8 at half past of 8, the minute hand of the clock is at where it will be if the half past of 8 half past is done, the minute hand will be where? It will be in 6 or 8 or between 8 and 6. That you'll have to find out and have to write. Okay, so this much for today. Do this summative assessment too at home, and I'll give you the answer tomorrow after doing it. Okay, I'll at the evening I'll give you the answer of all this, but before that you have to do it. Okay, thank you children.